Surprise, surprise! Did you know that the introduction of spray machines and fertilizers has amplified agricultural productivity by a stunning 70% in the last 50 years? That's right, 70%. It's a staggering figure that highlights the transformative power of technology in farming. Now you might be asking, how can I leverage this technology for my agricultural needs? Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to walk you through the process of using a spray machine for fertilizer application. First things first, safety should always be your priority. Ensure you're wearing protective clothing including gloves, goggles, and a mask. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. The second step is to prepare your fertilizer. This will typically involve mixing a specific amount of fertilizer with water. The ratio will depend on the type of fertilizer you're using, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3 involves filling the tank of your spray machine with the prepared fertilizer solution. Be careful not to overfill, as this could lead to spillage or affect the performance of the machine. Next, it's time to calibrate your spray machine. This involves adjusting the settings to control the amount of fertilizer that will be released. Again, the specifics will depend on your machine and the type of fertilizer, but the manufacturer's guide should provide all the information you need. Now, you're ready to start spraying. Begin at one end of your field and work your way methodically to the other end, ensuring that all areas receive an even distribution of fertilizer. Finally, once you've finished spraying, it's essential to clean your machine thoroughly. This prevents any residual fertilizer from corroding the machine components and also ensures that the machine is ready for the next use. So why not consider using a spray machine for your agricultural needs? Not only can it boost your productivity significantly, but it can also save you time and effort. Plus, it's a fantastic way to ensure that your crops receive the nutrients they need in a controlled, efficient manner. Remember, farming is no longer just about hard work, it's also about working smart. And with the help of a spray machine, you can take your agricultural productivity to new heights. So why wait? Embrace the power of technology today and watch your farming endeavors flourish like never before. And on that note, we wrap up today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more insights and guidance on making the most of your agricultural pursuits. Until next time,